refrigerated air compressor, 128 chainsaw, 129 kitchen aid mixer and Ninja blender, 130 $500 gas certificate, 131 double axle aluminum trailer, 132 Milwaukee pack out tool kit, 133 $500 Sheely's gift card, 134 is a gas grill, 135 $500 prepaid gift card, 136 rangefinder, 137 spotting scope, 138 grill and chili set, 139 leather recliner, 140 2-day 3-night Devil's Lake outing summer fishing trip for two, 141 massage chair, 142 push lawnmower, 143 $500 prepaid gift card, 144 Devil's Lake vacation package, 145 set of golf clubs and bags, 146 $1,000 Thompson's gift certificate. That's a local store we have on Main Street in Devil's Lake. Let's see, where are we at? Yeah, 147 flat screen TV, 148 Blackstone griddle, 149 thermal fish house, 150 $2,500 prepaid gift card, 151 rims and tires, 152 battery powered ice auger, 153 underwater camera, and 154 $500 prepaid gift card, 155 wood splitter, 156 auger and drill, 157 fish locator, 158 bush light cooler, 159 hunting tower, 160 custom fishing table, 161 golf cart, 162 ultimate ice fishing package, 163 home entertainment center with fireplace, 164 drone, 165 skylight calendar, 166 is an underwater camera, 167 flat screen TV, 168 is a Milwaukee blackout toolkit and tools, 169 electric bike, and 170 is that Ford Escape, which makes me think I didn't mention where the pickup truck was. How did I mess that one up? Sounds just like me. Let's see. How the heck do they do that? I don't even know now. You know? I don't even know. You know, I can't answer that question. But I told you it was a prize, so I know that it is. But how do they do it? I don't know. I always thought it was maybe the second prize in the past, but now I'm thinking I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going to look one more time, and then I'm just going to give up and say goodbye. So, what do we have? We have the grand prize. It just says the grand prize. Toyota Tundra SR5. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Maybe I'll see you on the ice, or see you in the Memorial Building, or see you around. Your old friend Billsy signing off now. Cheers, cousins.